Hey honey, what's up? Okay, I'm just going to talk about honey today. Yes, all the honey lovers over there, this video is not only for you but for all to let them know about the amazing health benefits of honey. Not only does honey make your tea taste better, it's also a natural way to sweeten and enhance the flavor of foods. It also helps take the edge off a Sunday morning hangover, or so we hear, and may even combat cancer. So here we go with the facts you probably didn't know about honey that will have you singing its sticky praises. It may help beat hangovers. Yes, beating the hangover. Fructose speeds up the oxidant of alcohol in the liver. Honey is roughly equal parts glucose and fructose, so it has the potential to cause this reaction. However, studies that looked at honey's ability to increase alcohol metabolism are using about 2 ounces of honey per 25 grams of alcohol, which would be about 480 calories worth of honey. We would not recommend consuming that many calories worth of honey in one day. It contains antioxidants. Some types of honey have been found to contain antioxidants. The darker the honey, the more antioxidants it typically contains, which can help fight cell damage that may increase the risk for diseases like cancer, heart disease, etc. However, in order to really pack an antioxidant punch, you'd have to consume more than a teaspoon or 2 of honey. Experts recommend that most women consume no more than 25 grams or of total added sugar per day. That's about 100 calories worth. While a teaspoon used here and there can provide a small antioxidant bonus, we would recommend getting antioxidants from more nutritious sources like fruits and veggies. It may help fight cancer. Yes, cancer is only good when it's the zodiac. I'm a Cancerian too. Okay, so preliminary studies on mice show that some types of honey may inhibit cancer cell growth. So far, studies have only been done in mice, so that can be translated with certainty to humans. It may help heal your cuts and burns. Some research shows that the topical application of honey on minor to moderate wounds may speed up healing. It may ease coughs. Small studies found that children's coughs decreased with given honey, and it certainly feels soothing going down when your throat is raw from hacking. It's sweeter than sugar. Per teaspoon honey contains 20 calories, 5 grams of sugar and no fat. Granulated sugar has 15 calories, 4 grams of sugar and no fat per teaspoon. Honey is slightly sweeter, so you can use a bit less. So the calories probably are about equivalent to granulated sugar when you account for using less honey. It may help with weight control. We almost always recommend that people buy the plain version of foods and sweeten them themselves using a natural sweetener, so they're able to control the amount of added sugar. But be sure to consume no more than 6 tablespoons of honey per day, and that's if the only added sugar if you're eating. If you're getting sugar from other sources, make sure your total sugar intake does not top 6 teaspoons. So honey, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button for more sweet and honeylicious contents and be with. So honey, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button for more sweet and honeylicious contents and be with us sharing our video. Stay fit, stay healthy and keep watching. Thank you.